Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Network Forensics Lecture 22.2. Explain the concept of network forensics. Network forensics is a specialized field within digital forensics that revolves around the investigation and analysis of digital evidence related to network activity, communication, and data flow within computer networks in today's interconnected world, where cyber threats and attacks have become increasingly sophisticated. Network forensics plays a crucial role in detecting and mitigating cybersecurity incidents. The process involves the systematic collection of network data, including network traffic, data packets, and logs, to create a comprehensive record of network activities. This data is preserved and examined to identify patterns, anomalies, and potential security breaches or unauthorized activities. Network forensics also helps in attributing cyber incidents to their source, attempting to trace the origins of attacks or unauthorized access. As part of incident response procedures, network forensics aids in investigating and understanding the extent of security breaches, allowing organizations to take appropriate actions to protect their networks and data. Ensuring the integrity and admissibility of the collected evidence is critical in preparing findings for legal proceedings, if necessary. Overall, network forensics serves as a powerful tool in fortifying network security, safeguarding sensitive information, and maintaining the resilience of digital infrastructures in the face of ever-evolving cyber threats. Explain the concept of network forensics and outline its purposes for implementation. Reviewing firewalls, reviewing switches, reviewing routers, reviewing wireless access points, reviewing client or server logs, reviewing malware activity alerts. Network forensics is a specialized discipline that involves the investigation and analysis of digital evidence related to network activity, communication, and data flow within computer networks. It aims to uncover security incidents, cyber attacks, or unauthorized activities by systematically collecting, preserving, and examining network data. The purposes of implementing network forensics include reviewing firewalls. Examining firewall logs and configurations helps identify unauthorized network traffic and potential breaches of network security. Reviewing switches. Analyzing switch logs and network traffic helps trace the paths taken by data packets and detect any suspicious or abnormal activities. Reviewing routers. Investigating router logs and configurations allows understanding network routing patterns and potential points of unauthorized access. Reviewing wireless access points. Scrutinizing wireless access point logs helps uncover any unauthorized connections or attempts to breach the network wirelessly. Reviewing client or server logs. Analyzing logs on client machines and servers helps identify any unusual user activities, potential malware infections, or security breaches. Reviewing malware activity alerts. Investigating alerts triggered by malware detection systems can lead to the discovery of malicious software and its impact on the network. By employing network forensics techniques, organizations and security professionals can proactively detect and respond to security incidents, strengthen network defenses, and safeguard critical data from cyber threats. It assists in understanding the nature and extent of network compromises, providing valuable insights for incident response and supporting legal proceedings. If necessary, ultimately, network forensics is instrumental in enhancing the overall security posture of computer networks and ensuring the resilience of digital infrastructures against a constantly evolving landscape of cyber threats. Explain the significance of these aspects when conducting hardware scanning within a network. 1. Verifying authorization is granted. 2. Ensuring the testing protocol doesn't cause disturbances. 3. Utilizing both passive and active analysis tools when conducting hardware scanning within a network. Each of these aspects holds great significance. Verifying authorization is granted. It is crucial to ensure that the network scanning activity is authorized by the network owner or the relevant stakeholders. Unauthorized scanning can be seen as a security breach and might lead to legal consequences. By obtaining proper authorization, Network administrators can perform scanning tasks with confidence and ensure that the results are legitimate and permissible. Network scanning involves probing and analyzing network devices and systems, if not executed with caution. Certain scanning techniques could cause disruptions to the network's regular operations, leading to downtime or performance issues. It is essential to choose scanning tools and methodologies that minimize the impact on network resources, ensuring that critical services remain unaffected during the scanning process. Utilizing both passive and active analysis tools. Passive analysis tools observe and collect network traffic data without directly interacting with the network, making them less intrusive. On the other hand, active analysis tools actively send test packets and requests to assess network responsiveness and identify potential vulnerabilities. Using a combination of both types of tools provides a comprehensive view of the network's security posture, helping to identify weaknesses and potential risks from various angles. By carefully considering these aspects during hardware scanning, network administrators can ensure that the scanning process is both effective and non-disruptive, facilitating the identification of security issues and enabling timely and appropriate actions to enhance the network's overall security and stability. Progress check. Technique need to revisit. I know what is meant by the term network forensics. I know the different network forensic tools that can be used by an organization to solve crimes. I know the impacts that network forensics may have on the performance of a network.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.